How are we doing? ReadyPly Birch Drum Shells. Right, so as you can see, the grain on these, on birch in general, the figure on the grain is really nice. So these are prime candidate for a nice stain finish. And the bonus about a nice stain finish is not only does it look good, not only is it maintainable by yourself, afterwards you can top that coat of oil up every couple of years just to freshen it up. That's really easy to do. Looks good, you can top the stain up, and it's one of the cheaper finishes as well. Now I'm showing you these for a couple of reasons. One, these are ready, this shell pack is ready to go, so that is the first reason. We've got a 12, now they're currently quite deep, so they can be cut down. I've just made them long to cover all the options, but we've got a 12 inch, we've got a 14 inch, we've got a 16 inch, and we've got a 22, and just at the side of it we've got a stack of hoops. So it's all ready to go other than the bearing edges, which are included in the price, and I just need to know what bearing edges you want and I can put them on, or you can go with what I would recommend. I could also, if you're interested and you don't want to do all the work yourself, I can supply them pre-finished. If you watched the previous video, I knocked up a little bit of a finishing sample. These have only had one coat of oil on to seal the stain, so they're still dull, but they would 3 or 4 more coats of oil on, those colours would really lift. Obviously that is just a selection of colours of what I had to hand. There is an infinite amount of stained finishes. So you can order it with the shells finished. You can even order it with the hardware holes drilled. So all you've got to do is bob your lugs back on. And the reason for these is it's a great way to change your kit without spending a fortune. You can buy a shell pack like this. This particular one, we've got a 22 inch and a 16, 14 and a 12, so it's a 4-piece. It's going to be 400 and something for this size. If you wanted a 3-piece, it's going to be in the 300s. So it's inexpensive for the end result, for getting a full new kit out of it. So I have sold these on the website as ReadyPly Shells for years. I'm really trying to make a bit of an effort now just to push these particular shells, because they're easy and quick to do, and I'm super busy. So rather than having long lead times when I'm pressing veneer into ply for all the other wood finishes, birch, if you order birch, you're going to get the shell pack in 2 weeks. From start to finish, you're going to get it from ordering to receiving it, you're going to get it in 2 weeks. This one, obviously, you'll get it a lot quicker because it's ready to go. But if you order any shell pack, it'll be ready in 2 weeks. So for those of you that don't like the sound of waiting for a month or longer in some cases, much quicker option for you. So if you buy these singly, you can go on our website, drumshellsuk.com, and you can buy a single shell of any of the sizes. For instance, a 12 inch shell is £70, a 14 inch floor tom shell is £85, snare drum shell would be £60. This 22 inch drum shell, for instance, would be £145. You can buy as many as you like singular. So for the next couple of weeks, if you order a shell pack, a minimum of 3 drums, so it doesn't have to be a big one, I'll throw in a free snare shell, and that can be a 13 or a 14. So that's a little bonus. If you order 3 drums or more, you'll get a free snare shell to go with it. So for instance, if you order a 3-piece shell pack of a 12, 14 and a 22 with the hoops as well, that'll cost you £384. You'll also, on top of that, get a snare drum shell. So it's quite a bargain. I'm doing this because I'm really busy on the veneers. So if I can drive a few of the customers onto these shells, it will really help me out time-wise. And it gives you a bargain at the same time. Right, what else have I got to tell you? This is a shorter video this week, as it has been so hot. I've not bothered to film stuff because I've just been melting. Next week I'll put up a video, and it'll probably just be on Facebook rather than the main weekly YouTube video, just on some of the shells that I have available. Other than the birch ply, I've got some really nice snare shells that are ready to go. I've just been building up a little bit of a collection from other orders and cutting the tubes down. So I've got a collection of those that need to go. I also still, and I can't believe I'm saying this, I have still got the absolute bargain of a century on several snare drums and a drum kit. I know when it's a custom company and you're trying to sell something that's pre-made, so it's not going to be custom, it's a little harder of a sell, but the prices are ridiculous and way cheaper than anything else you'll be able to buy, and amazing quality and sound, with sound samples as well, so it's not like you're buying blind. I've got the MVP kit, a 3-piece kit, which sounds unbelievable. If you, after this video, if you go to one of the other videos on YouTube, you can see our drum ambassador Dave playing the kit. It sounds great. It's available at £900, should be £1,700. It will not go any lower than £900. If anyone's waiting, if anyone's offering anything cheaper, which a lot of people have offered, silly money, from £1,700 to £900 is an absolute bargain. It will not go any lower. So that is available. Got some snare drums down from £5 and one from £600 to £400, I think. I've got an aluminium snare drum that's on at £300. Absolute bargains for what you're getting. You've got high-end parts and all these. You've got trick throw-offs, you've got die-cast hoops, you've got resin finishes. So yeah, I'm going to be posting more information on all the shells and all the drums. That'll be next week when I get a minute. So yeah, thanks for watching. Join me on the next one where I'll be making something, no doubt. You can check the websites, acdrums.com, and the drum shell website where you can order anything is drumshellsuk.com. So thanks for watching. My name's Carl, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-da.